If getting a furry little feline friend is what your heart is aching for, the Balinese cats just might be the right fit for you. While the Balinese cats are popularly known for their noble outlook and queen-like demeanor, they don't fall short of presenting their love to their human by their unbridled involvement and continuous chatter. In this video, let us learn 10 such facts about the Balinese cats which will make you fall in love with them. But before we begin, let's have a little background information about the Balinese cat breeds. 1. Their root origin is not Indonesia. I know what the name suggests, but the Balinese cats have no links to Indonesia. Their Siamese relatives are known to have their roots of origin in Thailand. Although there are not a lot of records or reports of long-haired Siamese kittens, it is known that a breeding program was started in 1950s in order to isolate Siamese kittens with their unique coats. Here is the interesting bit though. The breeders Marion Dorsey and Helen Smith, while developing these cats, named them Balinese because their graceful outlook reminded them of Balinese dancers, of whom they were big fans. Originally, only 4 colors were accepted for these cats, which were seal, brown, blue and lilac. However, the International Cat Association identified the breed in 1979 and allowed other colors as well, including red, cream, tortoise shell and pointed multicolored patterns. 2. Balinese cats are chatty breeds. Anyone who has ever researched a little bit about Bali cats must have discovered that these cats are known as chatty breeds in the cat kingdom. They have a sweet voice and are ever ready to share her opinions of the world with you in their soft voice. They are known to be very vocal and will use every chance she gets to use her voice for your attention. While they have their quiet moments, but given a chance, they will talk your ear off. 3. Balinese cats are playful breeds. The Bali cats are known for their playful, agile and affectionate behavior. They are very intelligent breeds who love to play and are naturally curious. So if you decide to get one of these little beauties, ensure that you have sufficient toys, scratching posts and other ideas to keep your cat busy and stimulated. Owing to this affectionate and social behavior, they can be trained very easily using positive reinforcements. In addition to being eloquent and smart, these cats are also referred to as clowns because they are known to exhibit goofy acts. 4. Balinese cats crave company. This point should not be too difficult to understand. Because of the very fact that these cats are chatty, agile and playful breeds, they need constant companionship. These are not the cats suited for being left alone for a longer duration of time. Doing so renders them a chance to develop unwanted behavior or even aggressive ones. When taken care of by introducing consciously, they are a breed that can learn to live well alongside children, dogs and other pets. For this reason, they are a popular choice for family cats. 5. They have beautiful coats. Bali cats have beautiful medium-lengthy, silky coats. While it is true that they shed seasonally, but their coats do not require a lot of maintenance. They don't have an undercoat and because of this they aren't prone to getting tangles or mats. A good brush should be up to take out the dead hair once a week to keep her hair in good healthy condition. 6. They are great jumpers. This is again a supportive characteristic as to why they are so playful. They have a bright blue eyes, large ears, plumped tail, a high muscular physique and hind legs which makes them great jumpers just like the Japanese bobtail cats. And because they are endowed with such a sturdy physique, they are generally a healthy breed. However, Bali cats are known to develop certain hereditary conditions like their Siamese relatives. Some of the health problems noted with these cats are progressive retinal atrophy, liver amyloidosis and respiratory infections. 7. Bali cats are snugglebugs. You know how sometimes you are not feeling well and wish to snuggle without saying anything. Well, with these cats, you get that. Minus the not saying part. Because they talk. And to be honest, they talk a lot. But I am okay with that. And I hope you are too. Balinese cats are known to perceive human emotions and general aura around them. So provided you don't get aggressive when you are down, because they will sense that too. A Balinese cat is willing to cheer you up with her gift of gab. 8. Bali cats are boss ladies. In addition to being eloquent, expressing their love, and keeping themselves busy, these cats always want to be in the center of the action. They want to be on the overhead counters of your kitchen. When you bring in new groceries, they will be staring at it and you with an eye of judgment. They will be your supervisors, looking onto everything and not shying in dishing out their opinions and advice to nudge you in the right direction if you mess up, which in their eyes you always do. Anyways, they are boss ladies. 9. Balinese cats versus Siamese cats. The primary differentiating factors between both these cat breeds are the hair length and difference in their vocal tones. The Siamese have louder vocal tones and shorter coat lengths than their Balinese relatives. But apart from these two prominent differences, both these breeds share the same personality traits, sapphire stare and the coat patterns. 10th. The belief that Balinese cat can dance is a myth. These cats only borrow their names from the Balinese dancers, not their dancing skills. Believe it or not, some people actually think that these cats are named so because they can dance like Balinese dancers. I mean, yes, they are playful, agile, and loving enough to let you move them to a dance beat. But know this, fair and square, cats don't dance. While every cat is unique and has her own personality that makes her special, it is absolutely wonderful being a cat parent that gets chosen by a Balinese cat. With that, we are at the end of this video. Does anyone of you have ever owned a Balinese cat or a Siamese cat? What do you like about them? Describe your relationship with your cat in the comments below for every cat lover to see it. I hope you are taking great care of yourselves and your family in these uncertain times. Stay home, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.